Hey travel lovers, welcome back to A Wanderlust for Life, and today we are going to take you around Europe in cocktails. And what that means is we're going to share some of the cocktails that we've discovered around this beautiful land, and hopefully you can make some at home for yourself. So let's get into it. First of all, if you are new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. That's awesome, we really appreciate it. And our first drink is going to be sangria. And we're gonna do this first so that we can let the flavors all come together, and then we'll try it at the end of the video. And if you wanna see some of the local spirits that we have here in the Netherlands, check the video out above and you'll see some, well, actually 3 cocktails that we made here for the last video, and that one was really awesome and fun to make, so I'm really excited to take you on this journey today. So first we're going to get a pitcher because sangria really can't be made by the glass, at least not very easily. So we're gonna start with a pitcher, and it uses a full bottle of wine, which is kind of cool. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take some oranges and apples that we have previously sliced and put them in the bottom. So this will give it that fruity flavor that everybody's looking for in sangria. And I think the fruitier the better. So we'll just fill the bottom like that. Then we are going to add the rest of the ingredients. So first, it's supposed to use brandy. We don't have any brandy, so we looked up some alternatives for what you can use in sangria. And I picked triple sec. Bowls is actually a local company, so that works out for us. You can also use rum and Grand Marnier, but I'm going with triple sec today. So we are going to add 79 milliliters, which is about 1/3 of a cup. And triple sec has that citrusy flavor, so I think it'll go really well with this anyway because it has oranges in it. I like triple sec. And then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of a brown sugar, cane sugar, something like that you have at home. 1, 2, 3. And then 3/4 of a cup of orange juice, which is about 177 milliliters. This is gonna be so good. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix these up a little bit, and then I will put in the wine. And the sugar's gonna dissolve in with the orange juice and the triple sec. All right, that looks good. And then I'm gonna put in the ice. So we have these massive ice cubes. And if you just wanna throw this in the fridge, obviously that's fine too. I just wanted to use ice cubes because honestly, I don't have room in my fridge. Now for the wine. Can you hear that glugging? So this is a Tempranillo. It's one of the recommended wines to use for sangria. There we go. All right, I'm gonna mix it up one more time. Obviously that did not fill my pitcher, but this is the pitcher I have. All right, I'm gonna set this aside, and then we are going to try it at the end of the video. And on to the next one. Our second cocktail is going to be one of my favorites. It's from Italy. It's called the Hugo. And I don't know what it is about this drink. It is just so much fun. It's perfect in the summertime. We had it for the first time when we were in Trentino last year, and I'll leave some of the videos up here for you to check out because that was one of our favorite trips ever. So this we're gonna put in a red wine glass. I'm gonna put some ice in it. You don't need too much. There's 5 little cubes of ice. And then the cool thing about this is we use elderflower syrup. And normally this is not something I used to have at home, but ever since I moved to the Netherlands, I use it also in gin and tonics and stuff like that. So 30 milliliters of elderflower syrup right over the ice. And we're also gonna put the lime and the mint in now. So just a wedge of lime, a little bit of mint. There we go. And we're gonna bruise it a little bit, and this just gets the oils moving and stuff like that. All right, I'm gonna actually use a spoon just to mix it up a little bit. Beat it down a little. You can actually use, this spoon has a little mini muddler on the end, but I'm just gonna break it up a little with the spoon. There's not much going on in there, so it's fine. Then you have a splash of soda water. I'm guessing depending on where you go, they're gonna add more or less soda water versus Prosecco, which is the main drink here. All right, and now we add our Prosecco, and then you just top it up. So you can kind of just make this however you wanna drink it. More Prosecco, more soda water. Give it a try. It smells so good. Like, it smells like summer to me now since we had this in Italy last. That is awesome. Seriously, one of my new favorite drinks. Wherever you are in Italy, you can get a Hugo, but we were in the Trentino region and it's really, really, really popular there. I would highly, highly, highly recommend it, but it's also super easy to make at home. It's just such great, refreshing flavors, and it's such a warm day today, so we'll probably be drinking some of these out on the back soon. All right, we have 2 more to go, so let's get into it. And on to the next one. So this is a Polish drink. It's, I'm gonna say this wrong, I'm so sorry. Zarlatka. And basically it's Polish vodka and apple juice. So pretty simple. It's 1.5 ounces of vodka, but I'm gonna first put my ice in. I'm using a G&T glass because I just like things to be a bit fancy. There we go. So 1.5 ounces of vodka. There we go. And 5 ounces of apple juice. So here you wanna get like unfiltered, you know, as natural as you can get. See how cloudy this is? I love that. Right, it's pretty simple. I'm just gonna add a splash more because this apple juice smells good. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little stir. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of apple in and a cinnamon stick. You could add like a pinch of cinnamon, whatever you want. And that's it. Like, how beautifully simple is that? Oh, that's dangerous. That's really good. Oh. Yeah, that cinnamon, and if you add like a dash on top, that would be awesome too. Just let that sit, let the flavor of the cinnamon come out. So good. I just love how some of these are just so simple to put together. And you can kind of feel like you're transported to somewhere new. So again, Polish vodka and apple juice gets you a good cocktail. So cheers! And our last one is also with apple juice. And I mean, I love apple juice, so that's probably why. But also, it just seems to be popular in some parts of the world. So this time we are using Bekarovka. I don't know why I can't say that. So this is Czech, and they also have a cocktail with apple juice and you add tonic to it. It's called an apple Benton. So that's what we're gonna make today. So we're gonna add some ice to our empty glass. Okay, so this one's pretty simple as well. It's 3 ingredients and you just use a small measuring cup. So first I'm gonna do 50 milliliters of apple juice. Again, unfiltered if you can. It's just the best apple juice. And you always wanna use the best ingredients to get the best outcome, so it makes sense. So this will be 40 milliliters. There we go. And then 50 more milliliters of tonic. So here I'm using the Indian tonic water from Fever Tree. It's my favorite tonic. Now, different tonics go better with different things, so I'm hoping this tastes pretty good with this. So how much did I say? 50. I kind of want to be a gentle pour here because it is carbonated. There we go. All right, let me give it a little stir. Add some apple slices for garnish. As many as you want, as many as you have. Okay. There we go. That's your apple Benton. Ooh, smells like spice, like, it actually smells like cinnamon, nutmeg, things like that. That's so weird. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. So I would almost equate this to like an apple pie in a glass. I'm serious. Wow. Oh, so cool. So yeah, 3 ingredients. Bekarovka, there we go. Apple juice and tonic. It's as easy as that. Add a little ice, stir it up, and there you go. You have a really awesome drink. So there are 4 cocktails that hopefully you can use at home. If not, maybe this will encourage you that the next time you do travel to grab some local spirits and liqueurs so that you can experiment with things at home. Please do that because it's so much fun. Okay, but before we end the video, we're gonna try our sangria. So I'll be right back. Magic of TV. Okay, so I got a G&T glass again. I just kind of love G&T glasses. I'm gonna add some ice to it. Mix it up one more time. All right, smells good. Great, let's see. Brings me back to Spain. Oh yeah, seriously. Now, like I said, you can use different alcohols in here. Do whatever feels good for you and enjoy, because that is what this is all about. Thank you so much for watching this video. We've had a lot of fun. I hope you have too. Maybe learned some new cocktails. And we've represented Czech Republic, Poland, Spain, and of course, Italy. So yeah, taking you all over Europe. Maybe we'll do another video like this with even more stuff because we love to collect this stuff. So we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Oh, and down below, let us know what your favorite cocktail is. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.